Guys, it's Quan from Miss Biomaths Tuition again, and I'm back with another video in the GCSE series. So today we're going to be going through indices and powers. Indices and powers are both the same thing. We're going to go through the indice rules as well. So get your pen and paper out. Right, so I put a key knowledge at the bottom. You need to be able to recognize square numbers up to 15 squared and cube numbers up to 5 cubed. For example, you need to be able to recognize that 36 is a square number and the square root of 36 is 6. Alright, so this sign here means square root. You need to be able to recognize that. You also need to recognize maybe something like 27. You need to recognize that that's a cube number, and you need to recognize that the cube root of 27 is 3. So these are things you need to recognize. That also means 3 cubed is 27, right? You could call this 3 cubed or 3 to the power of 3. Same way you could call this 6 squared or 6 to the power of 2. Alright, so yeah, that's it for that. Actually, also when you're having indices, maybe you have a number such as a fraction. Maybe you have 4/5, right? Squared or to the power of 3 or whatever. What you have to do is you have to apply the indice to the numerator and the denominator of the fraction individually. So in this example, you'd write 4 squared over 5 squared, which will give you